Well, we are rapidly approaching Midland City, I believe it is called. Kind of a, oh no, it thinks it's 10 miles an hour again. Oh my gosh, car. That's a slight annoyance. We're about to approach the turnoff here to Midland City. You're going to be impressed with this gigantic city we're about to be at.
Now turn left onto Midland City Road.
Got an entire road named after it. Of course, it's going to be a giant metropolis. I think this is the first town I've ever seen that has 0 landmarks on the Tesla nav. Look at that. There's literally 0. Make sure they're on. Yeah. There's literally nothing here, according to Tesla. Please pay attention. I'm paying attention, kind of.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Countryside Street.
I believe we are in the center of the giant town, or city, sorry, city of Midland.
Now turn right onto Countryside Street.
It's not a town, it's called Midland City. We gotta give it the credit it deserves of being a city. Back on narrow roads again.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
We'll go to the other, let's go to the other side of Midland City here. I don't know if it'll let me put a point on the map. There we go. It's kind of weird, there's literally nothing in this city. I'm going to keep calling it a city, even though it's obviously not a city, but I can't disrespect the person who named this place. Like, there's no parks or anything, or town hall, fire department. I mean, it's kind of bizarre. Gotta be something here. That street back there is called Rejected Rock Street. How on earth did they come up with that name?
In 500 feet, turn left onto 2nd Street. Then your destination will be on the right.
There's a person. So obviously people live in this giant city. Now you're not going to floor it when there's a person there, are you, car? Still went a bit fast.
Now turn left onto 2nd Street.
Kind of it. Well, according to the Tesla nav, we're still in Clinton, bizarrely.
Now turn left onto Union Street.
We got to go down Rejected Rock Street. I mean, how could you not?
Now turn left onto Midland City Road.
It's very weird. Like, how can a city not have, or town, or village as it really is, not have a, I mean, it doesn't have a post office, a fire department, even like a city hall or anything. Is it like, you know, the apocalypse here, where it's just everyone for themselves?
Right onto Rejected Rock Street.
There's Rejected Rock Street. How can we
turn right onto Rejected Rock Street?
How can we not go down Rejected Rock Street? I wonder why it's named that. I don't see any rejected rocks, so I'm not really sure. What would a rejected rock even look like? Definitely horses in the middle of town, which is kind of cool.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, we'll go to this corner.
Now turn left onto Cottonwood Street.
Now we're going left car. I don't know why the right turn signal's on. Oh, well, that was funny. It had the right turn signal on and then decided, oh, we'll just use no turn signal and go left. Okay, well, that makes sense, car. Good driving there. This is the strangest town I've been at so far. It's just like a subdivision in the middle. Well, not a subdivision, but it's just a group of houses in the middle of nowhere with no government, it almost looks like.
In 500 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Well, we're going to be heading back home now.
Now turn left onto 3rd Street.
After we exit Midland, Texas here, I'll be end of this exciting video of one of the more bizarre places I've been.
Now turn left onto Rejected Rock Street.
Oh no, we're back on Rejected Rock Street. Maybe we'll find the rock this time that got rejected. Whoa, that was a bit jerky
In
there.
500 feet, turn right onto Midland City Road.
We're gunning it.
Now turn right onto Midland City Road.
Gotta stop for 3 seconds. It's required. Then you do a burnout. Oh, no burnout that time? I'm disappointed, car. Well, that's gonna do it for the my thrilling trip to Midland City, Illinois. And I believe we're out of the town now. So thanks for watching. I have many other videos about other small towns and, well, I mean, other big cities like this one, I should say. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, whatever, if you want to. If you don't, click not recommended and you'll never have to see my channel again. So yeah, thanks for watching.